Before we kick this video off, we want to wish you all a very warm Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 2019 has been amazing to our family, and we are thrilled about what's to come in 2020. We hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Naisha.
And I'm Keri.
And we are Juggling the Johnsons. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I have my little partner here, Keri, with me. She is sick today with her asthma, so she couldn't go to school, but she is able to stay home and help me put up the decorations. So we are going to bring you guys our home decor Christmas decoration 2019, and we're about to get ready to make some magic. You want to blow a kiss? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. So Keri and I started off by removing all of the pillows off of the sectional so that we could start with a clean foundation. I was so happy to have Keri home with me on this day. Even though she was sick, she was still able to help mommy out. And I thought it was important to show her how to do home decor herself so that when she gets older, she can start her own traditions. And she also got to take a closer look at what her and her brothers do to the sectional on a daily. You know, there's usually popcorn and crackers in between the crevices. So she got to see that firsthand, and she was not happy about it. I'm thinking I should put her in charge of the living room. This part was really funny to me. Keri needed to take a break, you guys. We weren't even 20 minutes in from decorating, and she just decided to sit down and put her feet up and snack on some crackers, which is the very thing we just vacuumed up off of the couch. So it's always a good time with Keri. Hey guys, so right now I'm going to be showing you how to decorate some of the faux plants that are around your house. I love real flowers. I truly do, but I cannot keep them green. They usually die on me. So I went out and bought some faux plants. I actually got these for $5, which was a super deal. You know, I'm always trying to do it on a dime, always trying to find the best deals. So a lady sold these to me for $5 together as a pair. So it was such a steal, and I know that I would have paid much more money had I went to the store to buy them. So I have this right here, which is actually a plant that I picked up from Marshall's, and I already had this. I think I got it from Ross. So this is normally around my house. So I'm just gonna bling out everything and kind of give it just touches of winter. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off by using these. They're little berries that I got from the Dollar Tree. They're like a stem like this. So I ended up getting 3 of them. And I'm going to be using these little cute things. I think I got them from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. So I don't know if they still have them or not, but this is what we're going to use to decorate the faux plants. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the berries, and I have my handy dandy wire cutter. So if you don't have one of these, you may wanna invest in them. They are less than $10. You can go to your local Walmart and get it. It's gonna make the process much easier for you. So I basically just take one of these, if you can see, and then I just cut it. And I try to leave the stem long enough so that I have enough room to work with, just in case I need to cut a little bit more or bend some. Just give myself just a little room to be able to have some different choices. I have these ready to go. I wanna make sure you guys can see what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna take some of these little berries that I've cut off, and you just wanna tuck them in. Tuck them here as best as you can so that you can just really decorate this and give it that Christmas feel. Even though I use this on my dining room table throughout the year. Yeah, so you just wanna kinda spread them out and stuff them in so that it gives you that festive look on your dining room table. And you can use as many as you like to decorate if you really want to overdo it. I'm not sure. I might want to grab another one.
decorate this. One more. All right, there's my example. And so now this is ready to go onto your table to give it that festive look. And you can also add in other things as well. Just depends on your style. You can add in a little bling here and there, but this is how I'm going to be decorating this year.
So I'm going to speed it up on this part. So what you're watching is me use the glittery branches that I got from Hobby Lobby and the cherry stems, and I'm basically just going to tuck them in to the faux plant to bling it out for the holiday. And you can use this anywhere in your house. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it.
Okay, so this year I'm going to be using these command strips to hang up my garland on the mantle. I'm really excited about it because usually I struggle with keeping it up there. So we'll see how this works out.
I attached 3 command strips here, 2 on the side and 1 in the middle, so that hanging the garland would be easier for me. The command strips are supposed to come off easily without damaging your mantle or your paint. And voila, we are done. So we picked up some peppermint bark chocolates while we were out at Target, but somehow they disappeared. Can you guess who's responsible? Leave a comment below.
So guys, I found this at Home Goods. I actually have 2 of them, and I'm going to hang them over the front of my large windows in the living room. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to attach a little bit of ribbon, and then I'll be hanging them for display.
Whenever I prepare a tablescape for my guests, I like to make sure that everything that I put out is not only pretty but functional at the same time. So if you come over to my house and you see wine glasses, please use them. Keri has been placed on active duty to count down the days till Christmas, and she does not take her job lightly. Hey Juggler Squad, this concludes the end of our Christmas video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you are new here, we would love for you to join the Juggler Squad. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on our next video. Again, thanks for watching, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year.